Hey YouTube, since by far my most popular video was how to do an oil change on my Nissan Juke, I just wanted to make a quick video on how to change the air filter in your car. It takes 5-10 minutes. Go down to the auto parts store and get yourself a new filter, and it pops right in. Saves you time and money from going to a dealer or your mechanic and having them charge you an arm and a leg. So I'll walk you through how to get this apart, put the new filter in, and you'll be off and running. One of the best ways to maintain your fuel economy is to keep a clean air filter. When you're out and about on the trails, hiking, driving up all these dirt trails, you tend to get a lot of dust and dirt and leaves into your air filter, and that really messes up your fuel economy. So change this based on your manufacturer's suggested time intervals. If you're driving on a lot of dirt trails, you're going to want to increase those intervals, because as dirt clogs that up, it really does mess with your fuel economy. But it's a really simple change to do, and let's get started. Here is my 2011 Nissan Juke, and I'll show you where the air filter is located under the hood. It's in the back right-hand corner on the driver's side as you're looking at the vehicle. You can see it right here. All you have to do is pop these clips off and disconnect the intake tube. Then the clips come open, and you pull out your air filter, and the air filter will come right out, and as you can see, it's collected all of that junk in there. So you want to put a new air filter in and line these snubs up right when you insert it back in. Get those in there and put it into place. Now you're going to reconnect your air intake tube before you clip the air filter back together. Just pop that right back in, line up those notches, and click your air filter back into place. Literally, that is all you have to do. You just want to check to make sure your air intake tube is set back in place. Push that little connector down, and that's it. You're all done. All right, everybody, it really is as simple as that. Just pop it back in, snap it back together, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching my videos. I'm really hoping I don't get stuck with just doing car videos. So far, they are my most popular. I really need some more followers, so please like and subscribe. I'll definitely have more videos about working on my car, more videos about hiking and getting out on the trails and just exploring and getting out and enjoying your adventures. You need a car to do that in this country. So let's keep it running. Thanks everyone for watching.